welcome all. In today's class, we're going to see how to draw the remaining parts in your Oldham coupling. The remaining two parts are one is a shaft end, the other one is a taper key. So to start with let us start with the shaft end. In shaft end, the dimensions which are given as the diameter of the circle is 48, but haven't you given the length of the shaft? So they didn't give the length of the shaft. But let us see the taper key. So the taper key dimensions are 14 and 9. The taper key dimensions are 14 and 9. But the length of the taper key also given as 110. Now if you observe the taper key in your diagram, in your assembly diagram, this taper key will be sit onto your shaft end. So obviously whatever the length your taper key is having is going to be sit on this the shaft end. So obviously whatever the shaft you are going to create, the shaft will try to enter into the flange. So the flange it will reach up to the point of this area or this part. So total 84 minus 36, the remaining 48. So obviously your shaft would enter into up to 48 into the flange. Then your taper pin you can see here in your assembly. So what you can do is you can need to create a circle with the diameter 48, then pad it more than 110. You can go for 140 or 150 also. So since they haven't give you the dimension, and one more thing why I'm taking more than 110 is, if you observe here, these shaft ends are on this side or that side, both the side shaft ends are outside. So that length can be maybe any length you can take. So that is one provision we have. Here I'm taking as 150. Here I'm taking as a 150 mm. So let us go to the kit and start drawing the shaft end and taper key. So start mechanical design, part design. So name as shaft end. Click OK. Part body, define in work object. Now select a plane. Here I'm selecting in YZ plane. Sketch. Now take a circle. Give the dimension as 48. Enter. Exit workbench. Pad it. Towards direction. So let us go for 150. Okay. Now we created. Now on this shaft or on this rod we need to create some slot which should accommodate our taper key. So here we need to create a slot on the surface of the cylinder. So to draw something on the surface of the cylinder, what I'm doing is I'm taking a reference plane and I'm taking an offset. Since I know the diameter of the circle is 48, so I'm taking an offset at 24. Click OK. Select this plane, sketch. Now pan it. Now you need to draw your slot of the dimension 14. So let me take a centered rectangle, draw something like this, and try to draw an axis so that I can trim the other side, right? So use the trim command, delete, delete this one. Now give the dimension of the slot, constraint, the length should be 110. Because how we know 110, because that is our taper key length. So I'm here providing with 110 here. So 110. Now width I'm taking here as, since it is a 14, so I'm also providing the 14 only. With 14. Now I have my slot here. So if you want, if you observe the diagram, main diagram, there is some curvature here. So what you can do is you can also go here for filleting by clicking the corner and select this and this. Maybe you can give 5 mm. Enter. The same way, repeat the same on the other side also. Corner, select this and this, and give 5. Enter. Okay. Select this line and click and click. Now, if you want, you can check here also. Sketch analysis. So close it. Close. Exit workbench. Pocket. So how much length? So it's only a 9. Preview. If you observe, if I give 9 here, see in my flange, I already given the 14 into 9 keyhole. So say here also I'm going to give 9. Let us see. Click OK. Let me rotate. So this is your shaft. If you want, you can give the color code also. Properties, color. Maybe you can go for some other color also. Click apply. Click OK. Now this is our shaft end. File, save, save. Right. So once you are done this, let us go for tapper pin. Start mechanical design, part design, tapper key. OK. Part body, define work object. Select any one plane. So I'm selecting here jet explain. Sketch by the line command. Draw one line here. Now by using an axis icon, draw an axis. Now this axis should be at a distance of 110. 110 here. Now you can draw a line on this axis. Click OK. Now go for constraining. This I'm taking as 14. Now constrain this side I'm taking as 9. Now join these with the lines. Join these ends with the lines. Okay. Next side, this side. That's it. Exit workbench. Now go for pad. Go for mirror extend. So how much length or how much distance? So as we drawn the flange we created 14 to 9. 14 is the length, 9 is the width. So here what we need to do is, as we also created the shaft end, in the shaft end also we have given the pad as a 9. So let us go for a 9 mm. Let's see the preview. Okay. Okay. Now this is your tapper pin. Now if you are interested, apply, click OK. So we have created all the 4 parts. Now in the next class we'll see how to assemble them in your assembly module of KTIA. If you want, you can save here. Click save. So tapper key. Hold on. Click save. Right. Thank you.